Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping tools and ensuring safety. You must disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Once done, open the trunk and fold back or remove the access panel behind the lamp. This exposes the housing. Use an 8mm socket or screwdriver to remove fasteners. Keep them organized. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb type, for example W16W, and wear gloves to protect the lamp and your hands. This quick access step gets you to the bulb without damaging trim. Next, rotate or unclip the lamp housing. There's usually a twist lock or plastic clips, so proceed deliberately to avoid snapping tabs. Once you have the socket, pull the old bulb straight out. Note the base type and wattage so the replacement matches. If installing an LED, check polarity by testing before final assembly. Insert the new bulb fully and seat the socket back into the housing. Make sure clips engage and that the lens sits flush. This prevents moisture ingress and ensures a secure fit. After the bulb is seated, reinstall the housing and any trim panels. Tighten fasteners snugly but do not over-tighten plastic. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and then test the lamp by placing the car in reverse with parking brake engaged. Use a helper or a reflective surface. If the light works, finish by folding the liner back and securing clips. If it does not, check the reverse lamp fuse, the reverse light switch at the transmission, wiring continuity, and polarity for LED bulbs. That's the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.